This spacious home is located on a half-acre lot. Inside, the two-story great room is eye-catching with its dramatic floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. Picture yourself curling up on the couch and watching your favorite fall show by the fireside. The updated kitchen features an oversized island with beautiful matte leather granite, Coreluxe flooring, LG stove, Frigidaire oven, and wine refrigerator. The updates continue in the kitchen with a lap-inspired ceiling, can lights, and vaulted nook area with oversized sliding patio door leading out to the backyard oasis. The backyard features an in-ground heated pool, complete with a solar cover for the summer and an additional winter cover. The backyard also features a fence. Primary bedroom is located on the main level and leads into the bonus room, surrounded by windows and natural light. A classic-inspired den with wood paneling, a window seat, and built-in cabinets is also located on the main level. The laundry room features cabinets, a sink, and a folding counter that will make your chores easy. The second level includes 2 nicely sized bedrooms, a full bath, and a catwalk or loft area. The basement provides a living area perfect for entertainment, as well as 2 additional finished rooms. Located in the mechanical room of the basement is a staircase that leads to the garage. The oversized garage provides a great space for storage and features a stairway with direct access to the attic storage. This stunning home will not last long. Call Tana Megaslee to see every gorgeous detail.